In this video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate Elementor site. Now, in order to do this, you need to head over to elementor.com and then log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can head over and click on this Get Started option right here in order to create an account, or click on this login option right here that we can see in this case as well. Since I already have an account, let me head over and log in. So your migration actually depends on what kind of website you have. If it's hosted by Elementor host, you can just proceed to log in. However, if it's hosted by WordPress.com, you need to log in or create an account as well. Now let's head over and open it right there. Here is my Elementor and I have in here my actual website. As you can see, it's connected by the actual WordPress dashboard. And into this case, in order to migrate this site, I just need to head over and then click on this more actions. We can create temporary credentials and the likes. So if you want to manage this or migrate it, you just need to head over to your actual WordPress dashboard. And then from in there, head over right here to your settings. Wait for this to load. And you can actually back up your actual WordPress website using Elementor. However, if you just want to back up specific pages, you can also head over to the pages option that we can see right here, and then locate the page that you want to migrate. So for example, I have in here this About Us option. What we can do is we can just save it as a template. First, open your Elementor editor, click on this Edit with Elementor, and then once you have clicked on that, next thing you need to do is to save this as template. Click onto the Save options and click onto this Save as Template option in order to save it as a template on your Elementor, and it will be added onto your next sites if you have one. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.